Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view and analyze EML files. Let's start by downloading PC.EML Converter tool on your machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an EML Files option in the software panel. Pick the required EML folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. Wait, the software is analyzing the EML mailboxes. The tool lists all the EML mailboxes in the software interface. Once you choose the desired data folder, the software will list all the emails in it. This way you can preview the EML email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If that EML mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Next is the Message Header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this option, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the Hex View tab. The solution also provides the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. These help you filter EML email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. So, subscribe our channel to get a notification of the coming videos.